gone and bought tyres that are too wide for my car. Is there anything I can do? I'm going for my first drive after buying some new rear tyres, and things aren't going quite to plan. The new tyres are 10mm wider than the old tyres, and they're rubbing when I hit a big bump. That's just with me in the car. I think it'll get a lot worse if I have 4 people in the car, for example. Is there anything we can do about that other than take the tyres back and get a different set at a huge expense? I think I have the solution. There's a tool we can use. Let's get home quick and get working. First thing we're going to do is jack the car up a little bit and see if we can get the wheel a bit closer, just so we can see where the rubbing points are. So let's try that. Now it looks like it's rubbing from here through to about here. Of course the main part right in the centre. And next we have our magic tool, our fender bender. Try not to bash your own car. Got to do some jack rearranging, get this car up a little bit. Before we can put any pressure on this lip at all, and the lip underneath, we need to make sure we don't split the paint. It's not new paint, so it's a bit hard. So we need to heat it up a bit, keep it nice and soft and malleable. We're looking to get over 50 degrees C or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting close. Let's give it a shot. Put a bit of pressure on. Well, have we done any good? The only way to tell is to put the wheel back on and see what we get. Well, we won't know for certain until we go for a drive, but there seems to be an extra couple of millimeters. We'll see. We'll see. There's one section just at the front which I'm not too confident about. So I'll take all the pieces of rubber off of there and do the other side, go for a test ride, and we'll see what we get. And there you go, a few steps towards getting this problem fixed. Now, I'm not a body guy. Well, I'll rephrase that. I'm not a car body guy, if that makes sense. So anything to do with modifying the metalwork on my car is a bit scary. I'm a bit apprehensive about it all. Maybe you can tell I'm a bit slow and careful in what I do to make sure I don't cause any extra damage. Well, anyway, you saw what I did. Now, one thing I would say is, if you do have rubbing like that on your BMW, don't wait like I did for it to get bad enough to not only damage the tyre, I've also managed to wear through the wheel arch inner protective lining. So I have another thing to fix. Super. But such is the way of things. If you do hair scraping, I recommend you fix it as soon as you can, or at least change the tyres out until you can. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you think your friends would like it as well, please share it with them. And if you want to support my channel to do more videos like this, please hit that subscribe circle. Until next time.